Okay. So now the good afternoon, everyone. Now the board is visible to all. Good. Nice. And now I want now I want everyone mute their voice. Now I want everyone mute their voice. I will. I think question number 4. Now this is the class 6 maths chapter number 7 is decimal, and we can continue the exercise 7a. Everyone take out your classwork copy and write down the date and classwork. So, I think now the question number 1, 2, and 3 is finished. So, I will start the question with question number 4. Yes, the board is visible to everyone. अगर किसी को नहीं दिख रहा है तो वो मुझे बोल सकता है. So, now the question number 4. We write each of the following in the decimal form. Write each of the following in a decimal form. So the question number first is 40 plus 6 plus 7 upon 10 plus 9 upon 10. So this is 40 plus 6 plus 7 tenth plus 9 hundredth. So we know that 40 plus 6 is 46. Then we put a decimal because this is now the fractional number or fractional decimal fraction. See, these are the decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. So this is 7 tenth, and now we have to write at a 10th place. 10th place, not 10 place. 10th place. Now this is 900th. So 9 is come here. This is the 10th place, and this is the 100th place. 100th place. After the decimal, first place is the 10th, and the second is 100th, 10th, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, like this. And any number, if any number written with a denominator 10 or 100 or 1000 or anything, then we say that it is a decimal fraction. Now I think the first question is clear to you. Clear? Don't open the audio. 40 plus 6 plus 7 tenth plus 900. So we just write 40 plus 6 is 46 dot decimal. Then 7 tenth means 7. Then this. If the question is not like this, suppose uh, if the question is like this, then what we have to do? See, 40 plus 6 is 46. Then we put a dot. Now the 10th place is not there. So we can put 0 here. And now the 900, then we put here. It's 49.06. Now I think it's clear. I think now it is clear. Now, let us see second part homework. You can write question number 4, second part. Third part and fifth part. Now I will do the last part, sixth part. So it will be 30 plus 9 plus 400 plus 8,000. So 30 plus 9 is 39 point is there. Now it's 400 means the 10th place is empty. Now the 10th place is empty. So we put 0 over here and then we have to write 4 and this is 8,000. So 8 is here. Clear? Now, for the question number 5th, now the question for the question number 5th, question number 5th. Now for the question number 5th, everyone do in a book only because this is very easy portion. One I do in the classwork copy and then rest you have to do in your book. Uh, book, yes, it's okay, book. See, the first question is 7.5, 64.23, 0.074. Then these are the unlike decimals because this place is 10th and its maximum position is 100 and this is 1000. So if we are making a like, so we know that the maximum place is the 1000. So we write like this 500, then 64.230, then 0.074. This is basically a like decimal. This is basically a like decimal. Clear? And question number 5, do in book only. Now is it the copy? सबने copy कर लिया? Can I move to the next question? Now, question number 6, you can do this, do in book only. But while doing question in a book, you can use pencil only. Use pencil only while use pencil only while doing the question in a book. Understood? Now you can do in a book. Question number 6 is a compare. Comparison basically less than greater greater than less than equal to less than equal to sorry less greater than less than or equal to or by just doing the by just making the decimal like we are able to know कि the fraction the decimal number is which decimal number is greater. So the question number 6, now its first question is 84.23, then 76.35. We consider the whole number in this question. This is 84 and this is 76. So we know that the 84 is greater, so we put mark like this. Now, wait, one more example I will. Yes, it's 7.608 and the second number is 7.68. Now see, the whole number is same in the second part. So you can judge or you can make the like decimal. Just put 0 here, then 7.608 and this is 680. So 608 and 680 and we know that 68 we know that the 680 is greater. So this is the way to solve this question. You have to check with whole number. If the whole numbers are same, then you can make your decimal number like and then check कि कौन सा बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा है. Is that clear? And everyone do in your book only. Can I rub this? और जो क्लास वर्क में होता है दे यू हैव टू कॉपी, उसे कॉपी करना है. Now the question number 7. Question number 7, we have to arrange the decimal in ascending order. Ascending order. We have to arrange the decimal in ascending order. The first question is 5.8. If there is any doubt, please open your audio and say. If no doubt, then close your audio. Now the 5.8, 7.2, 7.3.03. Next is 7.33 and next is 0.0 this. So we have to write the ascending order. So first we check with the whole number. Out of this, 5.8 is the smallest number. So we write here. No change in this. Now the next question for this, the 7773 are the same. See, this is 7 and this is 7 and this is 73. Sorry. This is 73. So, what? Oh, अच्छा अच्छा, ओके. द थर्ड पोर्शन. मुझे लग ही रहा था कि इसमें इतना बड़ा नंबर कैसे आ गया. 5.8, ओके. 5.8, 7.2, 5.69. ओह, गुड. 7.14, ये कहाँ से मैंने कॉपी कर लिया? ओके, आई कॉपीड द question number 8 first part, sorry. So it will be this and the last number is 5.06. Okay, now you can check the whole numbers. There is 3, 5. So first we make इसमें हमारे लिए थोड़ा impossible है. First we make the decimal number like. So check the maximum place. So the maximum place is 100. So you can put 0 over here, 0 over here, and now the same. Now 5, 5 and 5. This is 5.80, 5.69 and 5.06. So the smallest number is 5.06 is less than. This you have to use the sign. Don't write ascending or descending. Now the next is 5.69. Now the next is 5.80. Now all 5 digits is finished now. And there is two number left. One is 7.20 and 7.14. So we know that 14 is smaller than 20. So it's 7.14. Then the last number is 7.20. Clear? This sign indicates that it is written in the ascending order. This sign indicates that this is written in the ascending order. Clear? Now let us do the second part also. Now the next question, second question number 2, question number 7, part 2. The question is 06, 6.6, then 6.06, then double 66.6, then 0.06, and we have to write these decimal number in ascending order. So first you check the 10 digit, oh sorry, the whole number, or you can make the whole like. So you check the maximum place is 100. So you can put 0 where is required. Now check 0.60, 6.60, 6.06, 6.66.60 and 0.06. So the least smallest number is 0.06. Then 0.60. Then 6.06, and this is 66.60. Now the next number is 6.06. Then 6.60, and the last number is 66.60. This is now this is the solution for this question, and now this is in the ascending order. This sign is called less than sign. This sign is called less than sign. Everyone have to remember this. Now the question number 7, you can do the second and third part in home. Now the question number 8. Let us start the question number 8. Question number 7, second and third part only. Two part I done in class 4, and you have to do in your homework. You will have to do in your homework. Now let us start the question number 8. What do you say? Yeah, in question number 7, I discussed 1 and 2 part. Then we compare third and fourth part. Now the question number 8. Arrange decimal in descending order. Now the first part is 7.3, 8.73, then 73.03, then 7.33, and the next is 8.073. Please mute their audio if audio is not required. 7.3, 8.73, 73.03, 7.33, 8.073. So now you all understand how to compare, how to check the number is small or big by making them like. तो अभी इसमें हम whole numbers को check नहीं करते हैं because there is so many numbers. So first we have to make the like decimal, then we will check that which number is small or which one is bigger. So now we can check the maximum place. The maximum place is 1000. So we put double zero here, zero here, zero here, and zero here. Now the numbers are 7.300, 8.730, 73.030, then 7.330, and the last is 8.073. Now we see which number is bigger in all. I think 73.03 is the bigger in all. सभी numbers में ये number सबसे बड़ा है. Then we put the greater than sign. This is the greater than sign. While writing the descending order, we can use the greater than sign. Now 73.03 is greater than. उसके बाद हमें check करना है. Now it is 8.730 and this is 8.073. So the next number is 8.73. And we know the next is again 8.073. Now we have to check 7.300 and 7.330. Which one is big and which one is small? So 7.330 is bigger than 7.300 because now here is 300 and this is 330. So the number comes 7.33. At the last at the last 7.3. Clear everyone? I hope everyone do the rest parts by their own. And today I am giving the homework related to the exercise 7A. So in this question number 1 to 3 is also included that we already did. वो हम पहले ही कर चुके हैं. So you can include the question number 1 to 3 in today's homework. Now without wasting the time, let us start the next exercise. Everyone open the page number 180. And this is the homework exercise 7A and now exercise 7B. If anyone has any problem, then they will check this recorded video in the YouTube to clear yourself about the homework or about the class also. You can check about the homework as well as about the class. Because our class is recorded and I will put in this YouTube or our uh, school app to view this if there is a doubt or someone missed the class. So now let us start with question number 1. The question is convert each of the following fraction into a convert each of the following into a fraction in its simplest form. Now from here we have to remove decimals. In this we have to remove decimals. Now this is 0.9 and we know that this is the ninth place, so we can directly write 9 upon 10. Or if someone want to do like this, see 0.9 और उसमें इसको हटाया and then 1 put किया और after that it is 0, they can write 9 upon 10. It will also okay, it will work. Or if there is a small number, you can write 9 tenth. उसमें कोई cancellation required नहीं है because we know that the 9 is at 10th place, so we directly write it 9 upon 10. And if the question number 2 is 0.6, 0.6, so you can directly write 6 upon 10. And if the number is cancelable, you can cancel it 2 3 and 5. Now this is the fraction in the simplest form, 3 upon 5. Is that clear? Suppose if it is 7th part, 0.125. So you directly write it 125 upon 1 followed by 30 because this is the fifth 5 is in the thousandth place. So you directly write 125 upon 1000 and cut it according to your calculation. 25 5 So the number is now the number is 1 upon 8. Clear? So for the exercise 7B, you can do 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. It is just a calculation. So you can do because यहाँ पर सिर्फ decimal को हटाना है. We have to reduce the fraction. Whatever we obtain means whatever the decimal fraction we get, we can reduce it. After the question number 8, convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. तो इसका मतलब है कि इस क्वेश्चन में हमें का आपको फ्रैक्शन मिलेगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Now the question is 6.4. How do we get the mixed fraction? First, this is 6.4 tenth. So it means that 64 upon 10. Now you reduce it. It will be 32 upon 5. If the number is 32 upon 5, you can convert it into the mix. Is it right or is it clear? Both right or wrong दोनों check करना है और clear भी check करना है. So sorry. 6.4 means 6.4 tenth. So we directly write 64 upon 10 and then cancel, reduce the fraction. We get 32 upon 5 by dividing with 2. So it will be 6 2 upon 5 is the answer in mixed. So इसका मतलब हो गया कि 6.4 is equal to 6 2 upon 5. Clear? Now these are the simple calculations. So I come to the question number 16. While calculating your sum, if you find any problem, you can ask in the next class. 3.108. So the 8 is at thousandth place. 3.108. 8 is at the thousandth place. So we write directly like this. And now reduce the fraction. 2 1 5 5 4, then it will be 500, then reduce it again 7 7 7 by it is 250, then I think now it's not cancelable. So 777 upon 250. 777 upon 250 is the number. The board is visible to everyone. If you are finding any problems, please ask. So, then I will check. So it will be 3, 250, and then 27. If we write this fraction in mixed, then it will be 327 upon 250. Clear? Copied? Good, 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 good. Everyone good. Everyone must copy. So I think I can solve one more question for you. One more question for you. Question number 13. It's 25.06. So we know that the 6 is at 100 place. So it will be 2506 upon 100. So now cancel it by your own. If you cancel it 2, it will be 50 and it will be 1, 2, 5, 3. And now I think it is not cancelable. So convert this fraction into mix. I want everyone convert it on, then I will show the answer. On Done? Everyone done? Done? Now see the everyone's answer is right. Everyone's answer is right. Now, now these questions are in exercise 7B, question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 8, then 11, 12, 12, 11, 12, 45, 50. This is the homework in the exercise 7B. If you want to mark, you can mark your book. Because today when I create the homework, I will write till question number 13. Okay, sorry, till question number 16. So 16 I spot, so I will write. I don't write the question number, I just write till 16. So you have to copy and now it's okay for you. How much time is left? तो बताओ कितना टाइम हो जाए 3 मिनट इज लेफ्ट अभी now how many students are there in class